The verb have has several uses in the English language: possession, description, and obligation. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, they have. Possession. I have many friends. You have a good job. He has several Spanish books. She has an interesting conversation. You have your own parking lot. We have an office in Canada. The office has several employees. She has a nice dog. Verb to have, description. My son has short hair. She has a mole on her forehead. He has green eyes. The boys have tattoos on their bodies. The girl has blonde hair. The child has a scar on his right leg. Verb to have, obligation. They have to finish today. You have to register first. We have to rent a car. She has to work tomorrow. The children have to do their homework. The employees have to arrive on time. The company has to cut expenses. You have to pay the bills this month.